Hello everyone. Today we have together making Vietnamese baguette. Vietnamese baguette is normal than baguette. As you see, to be successful, you have to take it from the end. If you stay standing, not bending, that means you have correct baguette. Together, we make very easy recipe. It takes maximum 15 minutes and then you take the time of proofing and will be professional. Let's start together. Vietnamese baguette, really crunchy, wonderful, taste is amazing. You just follow my instruction and really crack it. Bring one paper, one pen, let's start the recipe. One 150 milliliter water, warm water, not boiling. We added 7 gram sugar and 3 gram of yeast. That's it. We mix it together. It's like starter. And to be sure that your bread, your yeast is correctly fermented. Normal baguette never use sugar. But when we go the process, you will see we fermented many times, and as you know, as much as proving is eating the sugar, so the bread will have no sugar at all. 3 gram salt, we mix it with the flour. When fermenting after 10 minutes, we add it to the water. We mix it well. As you see, it's not hard. Is 250 gram of flour, which is good quantity to make 6-7 pieces of fresh Vietnamese baguette. Use your hand. If you have a kitchen aid, will be much better. If not, you can use, as you see, it's not hard to make this dough. Make sure that you take all edges. You don't keep any flour in the container without mixing. You mix all. If you feel the dough not bring everything, just keep it 1-2 minutes, then start again, and it will be very soft to absorbing all the material. As you see, you need it very good. Make sure the dough is really stretching. You see, now we cover this first resting. You keep it like 10-15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see the dough start raising. Again, we need the dough. Make sure that you knead it very well. It be elastic. It's wonderful. From type of flour, maybe you need 2 spoon extra water, but it's okay, you know. But if you use bread flour, this is all purpose flour, is 150 milliliter, is wonderful. This is the difference between normal baguette and this baguette. Vietnamese baguette, we added olive oil, just like 1 spoon of olive oil extra virgin, and we put in the container. Then you spread it well because the dough will rest, and then you put in the container and cover it. Just keep it almost to be double. It's take like 30 minutes. As you see, the dough is doubling. Now you added the olive oil on top. the rest of the container. Make sure if you have a scale, will be wonderful to scale each pieces like 80, 60 gram, whatever you want your patty pan, or you make it too big loaf. It's up to you. So if you don't have, you just cut it half, then you divide it for 6 pieces. And here I will show you the easy technique to make the baguette. Baguette is not like normal bread. As you see, I press it, then I fold it half, then I make it opposite side, then I roll it. This is the best way to make the baguette. It's very important. The way you see I'm rolling this is the right way to make a nice baguette. Any size of the dough, you must follow the same instructions. You can use your finger. As you see, I try to make it as simple as it is. Then I close the edges. As you see, very easy. And then I roll it again. This almost 80 gram of baguette. Then I show you another technique. You spread it very well, then you bring it, you fold it like towels, and then you fold it again in the middle. So it's only one way. This is one way folding. The previous one I fold it both sides, right and left. Here you see I try to make it very simple as it is. It's make 6 pieces. Here the time you spread one tray little flour, because I don't need the paper. You have cloth paper, we call it torchon. You dust with little flour, and this is the best way to do a baguette. Then you use your hand. As you see, you make shell. You divide the cloth, and then you make the shell between each bread. As you see, I make 4 small and 2 big. Then you cover plastic wrap. You keep resting room temperature. Maybe take 40 minutes, maybe take 1 hour. As you see, is growing double, triple. And then this is the time you move it to the baking tray. In meanwhile, you have to reheat your oven at least 220 degree before at least 12 minutes of baking, that to be very hot. And we will use another technique that you can put shaving dish or food pan full of hot water. So during the baking process, it gives steam to your bread, and that make it nice crunchy. You spray water, and if you have sharp knife, you can cut. That allows the steam from the bread go out and not making the bread cracks. If you have sharp knife, will be much better. Here I bake 210 because my oven is so high. As you see, I put a shaving dish full of water, hot water, so that give more evaporation and make it really crispy. You can listen to the voice and the crack. Wonderful. Please, if you not subscribe my channel, it's the time, and please leave your comment. Let us know what exactly you want to we make, and your comment is very valuable for us. Have a beautiful day. Thank you for being my YouTube followers. Ahmed Yunus. Hope see you soon with another video. Take care. enjoying art of pastry with Ahmed Yunus. Have a beautiful day.